Hello ELIC 23 students, welcome to our class. With this video, I wanted to show you how to navigate our class in Canvas so that you can find the Zoom links that you will need in order to meet with us in class on Wednesday this week. So let me show you how to get there. So some of you may know, if you've taken classes with us, you know how to access Canvas, but if you don't, all you need to do is go to mgc.edu, and then you need to click on Canvas in the right upper corner. Once you click on that, it will ask you to log in. Once you log in, you will see all the courses that you're taking this semester. Make sure to click on ours. And once you do that, it will take you to the welcome page. And this page is important because it has everything that you basically need. You need access to modules, and I will tell you a little bit more about modules in a minute. You will have access to the Zoom sessions, and this is the one that you will choose on Wednesdays. Our class time, as you can see here, is only on Wednesdays. We meet from 12 to 1:30 p.m. So you will use this particular link to come to class via Zoom. But you will also have Zoom link here for office hours. That's when you and I will meet in case you have any problems with the class, any questions about the assignments. And here are the office hours. I ask that you send me an email and let me know when you're available during these times so that I can be there and be available for you. I have a lot of students this semester, so I want to make sure that you don't wait too long. But if you make an appointment with me, that shouldn't be a problem. So modules are kind of, let's actually go into modules so you can see them. Modules can be accessed through this column right here or through this link. So when you click on modules, it will take you to these nice kind of folders with information. So that's one module. This module is called Course Introduction. If you click on this little arrow, it will close the folder, and then if you click again, it will open it up for you so you can see what's inside. What I would like you to do is view this whole folder, this module, Course Introduction, if you can, before we meet on Wednesday. There's a lot of information that I put for you here, so I'm hoping that you will read all of this information. If you're reading something and you don't understand it, please write that down for yourself so that when we have class, you can ask those kind of questions. So if you can go through the module page by page, it will be very beneficial. I made sure that I organized all this information this way so that it's for you to understand it well, and so that it helps you understand all the information that is included in there. You will see this first module ends with a little quiz, but no worries, this is a fun quiz. I call those fun quizzes because you can take them as many times as you wanted to get 100% on them. Remember that homepage I showed you, that welcome page with all the Zoom information, Zoom links? You have those Zoom links also here. So if you're ever in module and it's time for class, you can just simply access them right here. You don't have to go to homepage. We will talk about late assignment opportunity in class, but basically what it means is that you will have 2 opportunities this semester to submit a late assignment. So please respect the due dates because you can only submit late assignment twice this semester. We will also talk about Q&A cafe and student lounge, but feel free to open these, read the information inside, and see what you can do. Now here what I have are the weekly modules. So every week usually during our class, I will open another module for you. So because we will be meeting on Wednesdays, these modules will always be open on Wednesdays and usually during our class, so that when you come to class, you're not too overwhelmed with all the new information. I will tell you about these modules and I will show you everything that is inside of the module every week, and then you will have that module open for another week with all the assignments that you have to do. But just to show you how the modules are organized, they always start with a welcome information, and this information will tell you what we will cover that week. Then that information will be followed by a timeline with all the assignments that you will have to do and their due dates. Then you will see whatever we do in class. I will always include it here. So if you ever have to miss the class, emergencies happen, we're in the middle of the pandemic, right? You can view what we did that week, even if you miss the class. But if you do need to miss the class, please inform me so I know what's going on. No need to tell me the reason. Just if you can tell me, I'll be back next week. That would be appreciated. Each week module ends with a little ending note where I remind you what we did that week, what we studied, what you learned, and what next week will look like. Each week will have, if you look at those symbols here, pages, right, where you will have to read the information. It will also have assignments. This little page with a little pen here, that's a symbol for an assignment. This is a discussion board, and you will also see sometimes this. So this can be for either a quiz or a survey, and that's what the symbol is used for. Well, other than that, I am going to see you on Wednesday, and I am looking forward to meeting all of you. Stay safe, and I will see you at noon on Wednesday. Take care, everyone.